Greetings all! A lot of Finnish shooting and other sports club run so-called ham matches around the Christmas time. Name comes because the prizes are, well, ham and other pork-based products. Here's some video of the cowboy action ham match at Loppi Shooting Center. Weather was light snow rain in about -10 degrees Celsius. I didn't get my go on video for the first stage, but here's Deadice run. Start with shotgun and rifle on table, on beep, down 6 shotgun targets and shoot a progressive sweep with rifle to the targets. Next, same string with pistols from the front table. The stage 2 starts with rifle on hands, on beep, down 1 falling target, then shoot a sweep at the standing targets, down another faller and shoot the sweep again. Move forward, 2 fallers with the shotgun, and 1 faller and 1 sweep at the targets with both pistols. Stage 3 starts again with the rifle in the hands, shoot a double tap to the middle and then sweep at the targets and repeat. The rifle hangs up a bit, but I get it sorted out. Move left, 4 fallers with the shotgun. And same string with pistols as with the rifle. The last stage starts with shotgun on hands, on beep, 2 fallers on the both sides of the bay. Next, move left and a 3-4-3 string to the targets with the rifle. The rifle acts up again, but I get it going. And same deal with the pistols from the next table. There you go, some running and gunning in snow and cold. Not quite Il Grande Silenzio or Hateful Eight conditions, but rather close.